This is a laser pointer. See? Laser light. This, look at me, is the cat that goes crazy over laser. This is cat with laser. Look. This is a cat mouse that I bought for her. She don't even play with it. She'll only play with the ball.
E-Talk at the Junos tonight, because if it's Sunday, you know you're watching E! On a special edition of E-Talk, the Canadian girlfriends of the know that you brought a date tonight. I didn't. The stars, the fans, Canada's biggest night in music is here. I love Toronto with all my heart. The Junos turn 40 and take over Toronto. Oh my God, it's Drake! From Degrassi to world domination.
I'm the youngest host ever in the history of the award show.
Get ready for Drake's latest gig.
I don't think you guys have gotten to see his humor, but he's really funny.
I pointed towards the ceiling.
I didn't even know what a beaver was till like 3 days ago.
Justin goes head-to-head with fellow nominee Johnny Reed.
Some boys are going to freak out when they know that, I'm going to be nominated to be Justin Bieber.
Then,
We're taking 3 of our biggest songs.
She must like to take a rest.
One crazy mashup.
Meow, meow.
feeling some wrong. Plus, Lisa Shante goes glam for the red carpet.
I don't care if I'm in pain. It doesn't matter. It just has to look fierce.
And the hair affair at 07. We look back to Juno's past and some moments better left behind. I don't think the wind did that. Get ready to rock, Canada. The celebration is about to begin. We've got it all covered as E-Talk presents Countdown to the Junos. It's the 40th anniversary of Canada's biggest night in music. Welcome to E-Talk presents Countdown to the Junos. I'm Ben Mulrooney. And I'm Tandy Kim. Let's get right to it. This year's race has it all. And hoping to win big, the man
Go get him.
host Drake.
Why don't you want your laser?
Songwriter of the Year. Drake dominates the Junos this year.
This is another mouse that I bought her.
Nomination.
He's left in the floor.
Later was an international success in 2010, cementing his status as one of the world's biggest stars, and now he's coming back.
Who can we see?
to celebrate. It was only last year that the rap phenom took home 2 Juno Awards, grabbing New Artist of the Year and Rap Recording of the Year.
For my first Junos, it's definitely a very memorable experience.
And what a difference a year makes. Drake has gone from first-time nominee to host of the Junos 40th anniversary show at the Air Canada Centre in Toronto. And 4-time nominee Justin Bieber came in on a big night during Toronto in And while all eyes will be on Drake as he takes center stage Juno night, it's his red carpet date that could cause a scene. Last year, Drizzy took his mom Sandy, but after being late to stars like Rihanna and labelmate Nicki Minaj, it's Penny's guess. It's also been a banner year for Canadian rockers, including a few who really made their minds. Coming in just behind Drizzy Drake with 5 noms are Montreal indie superstars Arcade Fire. And they'll
Go in the hall.
also have a show on March 27th. So it's good to know about the
Fur.
night. But standing in their way in the group of the year and
You're a boring kitty.
category, Toronto's own Broken Social Scene. They'll also be taking the stage as they vie for a total of 4 awards this year. How do you think Drake's going to fare as host?
I just heard he was hosting. Is that good for street cred?
With 4 nominations include an artist you may have heard of. Justin Bieber, whose noms include Album of the Year and Artist of the Year.
Yeah! Juno, we're playing live!
as well as 2 of the night's performers.
Hi, I'm Sarah Clark. I'm the Infidence owner of that cat. And she seems to be a little bit bored and not that interested in this laser. This photo or this video will be on YouTube. So I hope you enjoy it. One more Infidence look at the pussycat that, I'm trying to get chasing after this laser. Hold on. Here she is. Baby! Laser! And that was the video of my pussycat trying to chase the laser. So, here's who's starring in it. The infamous cat Baby. That's Baby. The infamous thing called Laser Light. And of course, the laser. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Bye. And we're out.